Hello friends, I am Prerna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share a unique DIY of mandala stone. I'm super duper excited to paint this beautiful smooth surface stone. I bought this from Shunya. I mentioned the link in the description. I'm painting the base of the stone with two shades of blue color, Prussian blue and light blue color. You can see these colors are giving a matte look here. Now I am starting mandala work here, making a big dot on the center and then making a circle around this white dot. Please keep following these patterns that I am making. I am using SAKURA white jelly roll pens here for mandala work. You can find link in the description below. Please use your compass for a perfect circle. And keep following these simple patterns like I am doing. I left a blank space mistakenly somewhere. Did you notice that? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. Keep following these simple patterns and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial or any confusions. Just comment down below and I'll get back to you. It's really fun to making mandala on this stone. I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial too. If yes, please hit the like button and do share it with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming video notifications. This DIY is very simple yet beautifully came out. You can use this for gifting someone or for decorating your garden area or any of your favorite place at home. anyone would love to receive this kind of creative and handmade gifts. So try this out and do share with me, tag me on Instagram and Facebook, link in the description below. Now on the center, I replace white color dot with Prussian blue color dot. It's more highlighting now on the center according to me. You can use any of your desired color as you want. Please share your thoughts about this DIY in the comment section below. Also let me know if you have any suggestions what do you want in my next video DIY or Zentangle tutorial. Comment down below. Now it's time to repairing my mistake. So I'm filling up the space that I forgot mistakenly. Keep showering your love, keep sharing and keep supporting Prerna Creations. Please don't forget to share your thoughts on this DIY. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in my next video. तब तक के लिए keep creating. Take care. Bye bye.